Hello everyone, this is Mrali Patel from New Alja Institute of Engineering and Technology. In today's lecture, we are going to discuss about some more examples on the Poisson distribution. So let's get started. Now moving to the next example, a car hire firm has a two cars which it hires out day by day. The number of demands for a car on each day is distributed on a Poisson distribution with mean 1.5, that means mean is equals to 1.5 and mean is equals to lambda for the Poisson distribution. So lambda is 1.5. Calculate the proportion of days on which neither car is used and the proportion of days on which some demand is refused. So for the first case, neither car is used. Now the random variable x denotes the number of cars used on given days. So for that, P of x is equals to 0, that we have to find over here. So e raised to minus lambda, lambda raised to 0 upon 0 factorial. E raised to minus 1.5, lambda raised to 0 is 1 upon 0 factorial is also 1. Now e raised to minus 1.5 is already given, that is 0.2231. So this is the probability that neither card is used. Now next is for the some demand is refused. So second case is probability that some demand is refused. So here we want to find out probability of some demand is refused. So it is already given that car hire firm has a two cars. So this firm refused the demand only when this two cars is already hired. So the probability that some demand is refused is equals to probability that demand is more than 2, because the car hire firm has only two cars. So it only accommodates cars when the demand is less than or equal to 2. So that is P of x greater than 2. So that is equals to 1 minus P of x is equals to 0 plus P of x is equals to 1 plus P of x is equals to 2. So 1 minus e raised to minus lambda, lambda raised to x, x is equals to 0, so 0 upon 0 factorial, e raised to minus lambda, lambda raised to 1 upon 1 factorial, e raised to minus lambda, lambda square upon 2 factorial. Now the value of lambda is 1.5, so e raised to minus 1.5 plus e raised to minus 1.5 into 1.5 plus e raised to minus 1.5 square upon 2. So the answer for this is equals to 0.1912. Now moving to the next example. In a balloon factory, there is a small chance of 1 by 500 for any balloon to be defective. The balloons are supplied in a packets of 10. So n is equals to 10. And P is the probability that balloon is defective. So that is 1 by 500. Use the Poisson distribution to find the approximate number of packets containing the no defective, 1 defective, 2 defective, and 3 defective balloons in consignment of 20,000 packets. So the number of packets is 20,000. Now lambda is equals to n into p. So that is 10 into 1 by 500. So that is 0.02. Now let's first find out for the no defective. That means the number of packets having no defective balloons. So first, we are finding the probability for the no defective balloon. So that is the P of X is equal to incident. So e raised to minus lambda, lambda raised to 0 upon 0 factorial. So that is e raised to minus 0.02 and that is equals to 0.9802. Now the number of packets containing the no defective. So the number of packets with no defective balloon is equals to n into P of X is equals to 0. So that is equals to 20,000 into 0.9802 and that is equals to 19604. Similarly, we can find the number of packets with one defective volume. And that is equals to n into P of X is equals to 1. So 20,000 into e raised to minus lambda, lambda raised to 1 upon 1 factorial that is equals to 20,000 into e raised to minus 0.02 into 0.02 upon 1 factorial and that is equals to 392.08 that is near to 392. So 392 packets contain the one defective balloon. That is the probability that. Similarly, we can find the number of packets containing two defective balloons. So that is equals to n into P of X is equals to 2. 20,000 into e raised to minus lambda, lambda raised to 2 upon 2 factorial. That is equals to 20,000 into e raised to minus 0.02 into 0.02 square upon 2. That is equals to 3.92. So that is near to the 4. So the expected number of packets containing the two defective balloon is equals to 4. Now the number of packets containing three defective balloons is equals to n into P of X is equals to 3. So that is equals to 20,000 into e raised to minus lambda, lambda raised to 3 upon 3 factorial. The value of lambda is 0.02. So let's just put the value of lambda that is 0.02 into 0.02 cube upon 3 factorial that is equal to 6. So this is going to equal to 0.027. So that is near to the 0. Now moving to the next example. So it is given that potholes on a highway can be a serious problem. The past experience suggests that there are on average 2 potholes per mile after a certain amount of uses. It is assumed that the Poisson process applies to the random variable number of potholes. What is the probability that no more than 4 potholes will occur in a given section of 5 miles? So here we want to find out probability of no more than 4 potholes falls in given section of 5 mass. So that is equals to nothing but P of X less than or equals to 4 in given section of 5 miles. So it is already given on an average 2 potholes per mile. But here we want to find out the probability that X less than or equals to 4 in a section of 5 miles. So we can say that here average is 2 potholes per section of mile. Thus, average potholes per section of 5 miles is 10. So lambda is equal to 10. In order to find the P of X less than or equals to 4 in given section of 5 miles. So P of X less than or equals to 4 is P of X is equals to 0 plus P of X is equals to 1 plus P of X is equals to 2 plus P of X is equals to 3 plus P of X is equals to 4. So that is e raised to minus lambda, lambda raised to 0 upon 0 factorial plus e raised to minus lambda, lambda raised to 1 upon 1 factorial plus e raised to minus lambda, lambda squared upon 2 factorial plus e raised to minus lambda, lambda cube upon 3 factorial plus e raised to minus lambda, lambda raised to 4 upon 4 factorial. So e raised to minus lambda is common. Lambda raised to 0 upon 0 factorial is 1. Lambda raised to 1, that is the 10, plus 10 square divided by 2, plus 10 cube divided by 6, plus 10 raised to 4 divided by 24. And the value of lambda is equals to 10. So let's just replace this lambda with the 10 as well. So this is equals to 0.0293. So this is the probability that is equals to 0.0293 for no more than 4 potholes in the given section of 5 miles. So this is all about Poisson distribution. In next lecture, we are going to start with normal distribution. Till then, keep exploring and thank you.